friends, Dr. Dave here with USU Extension. Today's Tuesday 2-minute tip is all about the 80-20 rule in relationships. Okay, so most of us when we get married, we have a partner, spouse, loved one, we really love and appreciate about 80% about that person, our partner. So we're, oh man, they're so cute, love their sense of humor, so responsible. So there's about 80% that we really love and appreciate. And then there's about 20% that bugs us or bothers us. We wish was a little bit different. Now, and every relationship has this. It's just the little habits of the person, the little mannerisms, the things maybe they don't clean up after themselves, they don't trim their fingernails, they don't take care of themselves. Something will bother us. Now, if we focus on that 20% that bugs us, that will grow. Does that make sense? If we focus on the 80%, that will grow as well. Now, there's, of that 20% that we don't like, about 70% of that will never change. So that leaves about 30% that will change. And so the 30% of the 20% of the stuff that we don't like, that the research shows, John Gottman shows that can change, but only as we accept the other person. So here's the takeaway. All of us have expectations going into relationships, expectations even after 20 years, 10 years, 50 years of marriage, being in a relationship. We all have expectations. But if we can learn to replace expectation with appreciation, that will help so much in relationships. Appreciate and accept the person for who they are, not for the person you're trying to make them become. Now, this does not relate to, unrealistic expectation. Yeah, they should provide, they shouldn't be lazy and that kind of stuff, of course. Minimal expectations, of course, we should expect those, and those should happen. But you know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about more of those expectations, how we want this person to be like this, or to say things like this, or to not do this so much. Learn to appreciate them. Appreciation over expectation is happiness in relationships. And so it's a simple little thing, but focus on the 80%, because if you focus on the 20%, soon the 20% feels like 80%. And that spoils relationships, just like a rotten apple or fruit, right? It tends to spoil everything. So hope that is helpful. Focus on the 80%, not the 20%, and replace the expectation with appreciation. So I'm Dr. Dave with Utah State, sharing tips to make life